born with the perfect heart shape on his forehead, Aloka the peace dog was once a stray wandering through the streets of India, who began following the venerable monks. He walked with them for over 100 days across India. Though his exact birthday and age remains a mystery, although they think he may be 4 years old, his loyalty and peaceful spirit are clear to everyone he meets. Aloka walks beside Venerable Bhikkhu Panyakara and the venerable monks across America, no longer lost, no longer alone. He has found his home. He has found his purpose. He has found the peace of his life. His journey reminds us, peace is always possible. No matter how difficult the beginning, no matter how long we've wandered, when we choose the path of peace, we find our way home. Aloka found his peace. May you find yours too. May you and all beings be happy and at peace. If today's message spoke to your heart, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we'll keep uncovering the living words written in red, words that never fade. Dive into the heart of the Gospels with the red words of the Christ, a profound and illuminating exploration of the words spoken by Jesus Christ. This beautifully crafted book brings together the teachings, parables, and divine wisdom of Jesus as found in the New Testament, offering readers a focused and inspiring journey through his transformative message. Receive your copy today by visiting Amazon. The link will be in the description.